在工作和办公室中有效沟通的有。
Can I help you with something? Do you have a moment to discuss topic? I need your assistance with task. Can we schedule a meeting for date time? I will send you the report by date time. What's the deadline for this? Who is responsible for? Please review the attached document. Can you provide more details on topic? I need to take a break. I will be out of the office today. Can you forward this email to person? I need to reschedule our meeting. Please let me know if you need anything else. Thank you for your help. I will be in a meeting until time. Can you join the conference call at time? Please send me the updated file. I will follow up with you later. Do you have any questions or concerns?